The term blood cancer is not unheard of, the wide dimension of the malignancy is not accurately understood. When doctors talk about blood cancer, they mean cancers that can start in the blood itself, in the bone marrow, or in the lymphatic system of the human body. Blood cancer isn't just one disease, it's an umbrella for several conditions where abnormal cells crowd out healthy ones, disrupting the system that carries oxygen, fights infection, and helps the body to heal. Also known as hematological cancer, blood cancer is of three broad kinds. Firstly, there's leukemia, which is caused by the rapid production of abnormal blood cells in the bone marrow. In simple terms, the bone marrow fills up the faulty cells, limiting its ability to produce red blood cells and the platelets. Then there is lymphoma that begins in the lymph nodes. Abnormal white blood cells can become lymphoma cells that grow unchecked in the lymph nodes and weaken the immune system. And the third is myeloma that damages plasma cells and leaves the body open to more infections. Symptoms alone rarely point straight to blood cancers, but the warning lights are easy to list. Persistent fatigue and weakness, frequent fevers and infections, bleeding or bruising without clear reason, swollen, painless lymph nodes, especially in the neck or armpits, night sweats, bone pain, and breathlessness. The first signs are often missed. A person may feel tired for weeks or keep getting infections. Some lose weight without trying. Others complain of night sweats, fevers that come and go, or lumps in areas like the neck and underarms. It is due to this wide-ranging spectrum of symptoms that blood cancer is so difficult to catch in the early phase. Families sometimes think it's just weakness or stress, but for the doctors, these are the red flags. In India, the numbers are worrying. More than 1.2 lakh new cases are reported every year. Sadly, over 70,000 people die of blood cancer. Among children, leukemia is one of the most common cancers, about 1 in 3 childhood cancer cases. Globally, the World Health Organization also lists blood cancers among the major causes of cancer deaths. But here's where things have changed. Treatment is not what it used to be. As science makes new strides, doctors now have many options. These include chemotherapy, radiation, targeted medicines, newer immunotherapy drugs, and stem cell transplants. These approaches, often in combination, are helping the patients live longer and with better quality of life. Avoid smoking and drinking alcohol, eat balanced and healthy food, stay active through exercise or yoga, and go for regular health checkups. As it is rightly said, prevention is better than cure. But since prevention isn't always enough and nature doesn't always play out in one's favor, spotting problems early might make a big difference.